Let's take money into the 21st century. AMP provides assets like DAI, Litecoin, Bitcoin with instant verification assurance for any real world application. Here's their white paper for more information, guys, on what AMP is. But AMP is described as a new digital collateral token offering instant verification assurances for any kind of value transfer. Using AMP like using AMP networks like Flexa can quickly be and irreversibly secure transactions for a wide variety of asset-related uses cases. So, what is the current price? It's about 3 cents, guys, with a market cap of 1.3 billion, ranked number 77 on the list with this ticker as AMP. Let's see what markets you guys can trade this on, guys. The markets you guys can trade this on. They're on Coinbase Exchange, Binance, Gemini, KuCoin, Uniswap, Get.io. Let's see, Crypto.com, Bittrex, Poloniex. So if you guys are looking for some of the biggest platforms to get a part of this cryptocurrency, they are available. I did not find a price rating for it, but that doesn't mean it's a bad cryptocurrency. It is in the top 100, so there is a lot of activity on it. If you're looking for some of the news on this cryptocurrency, I will be getting off the news when it comes to their Twitter page, so I'll get to that. But here's the one. So if you see anything you like, I will have a link below so you guys can check it out yourself. But back to their website, guys. If you guys want to learn more about this crypto, you guys can look at the voting, the community, some of the documentations, the overview. Just check out the website, learn more about the cryptocurrency before trading, hodling it, doing anything with it. Just educate yourself first. All right, now we're on the Twitter page, guys, and here's that article I was talking about here. All right, where's it at? Okay, cool. So as of January 14th, if you guys want to find out, AMP is now available on the Vlad official with supporting for trading, lending, borrowing, and saving with this cryptocurrency. So if you guys want to learn more about that, check out the Twitter page. I will have a link below so you guys can scroll down and click it and check out if you guys want to be part of the trading, lending, borrowing, or savings atmosphere. So also follow me on Twitter as Andre J. McClendon. Talk about a lot of political stuff and trading that I don't do so much on this channel, but I do a little bit on the political stuff. But let's try out also their price prediction, guys. Now, I'm using the Coinbase one because I think it'd be a little bit easier for myself. So let's hold this down right here. Now, obviously, you can see that this thing has been making some points down lower, okay? And this is how we're in the atmosphere of a lot of cryptocurrencies doing this. Not saying all cryptos are going down, it's just that a lot of cryptos, especially in the top 100, are facing a lot of pressure. And they're all making strong trend lines down lower. So on Coinbase, it's easier for me to get part of this cryptocurrency. Being United States, it's easier for me to trade. But like I told you like before, when it comes to cryptocurrency, like if you guys change it to like AMP, look at different like AMP. There's Gemini. Gives guys some more data. I want to show you guys that when you guys are looking at different brokers or different exchanges, they have longer market data. This is an example of Coinbase's. This is Gemini's right here. Okay, so right here, even if we get off this data, I think overall that it's going to either do one of two things but still head to the same direction. The first option, it's going to make a high wick back to this trend line, but ultimately breaking this zone to head down lower. And this support, to me, I think is going to bust right through. And just because of the market data, it hasn't been around very, very long, and these wicks have all been massive, and they're all pointing down. People taking profits off, and it's heading. So most likely, it's going to be breaking this point here, but that's my price prediction. It's going to be basically 2 cents. Yeah, so price prediction is 2 cents. I think it might pop up first, make a wick and hit down lower, but ultimately going down to 2 cents. Possibly not breaking this trend line. Now, I'll just say I'm wrong. I think the only way for me to be wrong in the sense of going higher, either it flattens out, starts building structure, or what it starts doing is, not building structure, it goes up, closes above this trend line, starts making more bars past the trend line to head up higher highs. I think that it's possibly going to go back down to 2 cents, and more buyers and new buyers kick in to build more structure to build up to all these other previous highs. But that's my analysis, guys. I think this one's a little bit easier because it's look at these big wicks just pushing this thing down. I mean, it's only like a 1 cent fall, but that's like 1/3 of its price. So just let me know what you guys are at. You guys are dollar cost averaging. Are you guys trading? You guys on margin or something? Just let me know what you guys are doing. This is just my plan, my setup for it. So if you have any question or comments, have that on the comment section below. Let's get to my website. On Jim McClain, if you guys are looking for free stocks, cryptocurrency, or Forex account, start them and give me a kickback. Same thing for you guys. When it comes to my updated portion for economic and stats, I'm updating it, adding a whole bunch more links and stuff so you guys can educate yourself more, help you guys out for trading, stuff like that. If you guys are looking for indicators, I have a bunch of indicators that are back tested on here. And also, if you're looking for a custom EA trading robot, fill out this stuff. We can have the conversation. Trading. If you're looking for a trading course, I have my own. Just DM me about it here on my website or on Facebook. But that's that's the video, guys. How do you think I did on app? You guys like the analysis or not? Just drop a comment below and we'll have a conversation. But please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.